Hi, I'm Toby Reid, I'm from Gooch & Housego, and it's great to be back at Photonics West and seeing our customers again. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about lidar systems and how they might be made with fibre optic components. So firstly, we're going to talk a little bit about the applications. So the main applications I'm going to talk about are distributed fibre sensing, where the fibre itself, of an optical fibre, is used as a sensing medium. And then light is launched into the sensing medium, and any disturbances are detected by back reflection of the light. And using the lidar technique, those disturbances can be detected. So those disturbances might be caused by pressure or temperature or vibrations. The other technique, which is very, very similar, is atmospheric sensing, but instead of the light being launched into the fibre, it's launched into the atmosphere, and that's used for things like wind sensing. Remote sensing in fibre is used for so-called protection of linear assets such as roads, railways, pipelines, etc. Maybe oil and gas pipelines. So here we've got all of our fibre optic components that we make at G&H arranged as they might be arranged in a lidar system. And here we're showing a transmitter and a receiver all together on the same page, if you like. So we start off with a little source of light, the DFB laser seed, so that's a single mode narrow line width laser emitting maybe 50 milliwatts. But this is a lidar technique, of course, so we need to create an optical pulse. So we have our fast optical switch, which is at what we call our fibre Q range, and that uses acousto-optics to switch the light on or off. And that way, with our CW source and our fast optical switch, we create an optical pulse. If we were to launch that into the sky or into the fibre, we wouldn't detect very much back, it'd be too weak. So we amplify it with an optical amplifier, using our pump laser perhaps, and our fused fibre components here and here. And then finally, we will launch our now high power pulse into the atmosphere, perhaps with a collimator. If it were a fibre system, it would be a fibre connector. And then we detect returns from the atmosphere or the fibre back through a circulator into our latest component, our polarization diverse receiver, or our PDR, and that's highly sensitive and can detect very small back reflections. So that's our product range, or sort of all on one page. We can also make assemblies of these things, OEM manufacturer, that sort of thing, if you should be interested. So there we are. I hope you enjoy the show, and perhaps see you next year or even this year in the remaining days. Thank you very much.